Want to get a check of our forecast now with Storm Talk meteorologist Carson Meredith.
Yeah, Carson. So what's going on out there as far as this fall feel? We hope it comes back and stays in a few days.
Yeah, it will at some point, guys. But starting today, really, we're going to warm things back up. We have one last gasp, if you will, of that summer-like heat. But this morning, very, very comfortable once again. We're all in the mid to upper 50s. The Wave 31 Skycam network shows wall-to-wall sunshine wherever you are. Have been dealing with some light fog in Muscle Shoals, also Guntersville. But now that the sun's starting to come up, that fog is beginning to lift. Just keep that in mind as you do hit the roads. Another check of those visibility numbers. Again, very spotty. 2 miles in Guntersville, up to 4 miles now in Coleman. Muscle Shoals around 3 miles and a little over a mile in Gadsden right now. So again, hit and miss it for some of that fog. But if you do encounter that fog, just take it slow on the roads. Let's give you the wide view across much of the U.S. and you notice much of the country is very quiet this morning. The reason why? Big Blue H, high pressure dominating much of the weather pattern. This is a massive high pressure and it's a very strong high pressure, so it's going to keep things dry, not just here in North Alabama, but much of the eastern U.S. over the next 7, maybe 10 days. You got to go all the way out to New Mexico to find any kind of rain that's close to North Alabama. So for your Wednesday, plenty of sunshine, maybe a few clouds here and there. High temperatures, a couple degrees warmer today, so we're slowly beginning that temperature climb. 86 is that forecast high later on. Great night for baseball. Trash Pandas taking on Birmingham. First pitch at 6:35. You can watch that game on this TV channel 31.6, but why not head out to Toyota Field with this beautiful forecast? Low 80s at first pitch, down into the mid 70s. We'll call it 73 with those clear skies by the final out tonight. So we're just now starting this long stretch of dry weather, and that means the ragweed is going to get worse and worse and worse. It was in the high category on Monday. Now it's in the very high category, and it's going to stay that way really until we get any kind of rainfall, and it looks as though we are going to stay dry for the next 7, maybe 10 days. Here's future radar with those temperatures heading for the mid 80s today, all quiet overnight tonight. A couple degrees warmer Thursday morning, but still comfortable. Many spots waking up near 60 tomorrow morning. Back in the upper 80s on Thursday. We'll do it all over again on Friday. And then by this weekend, we'll have a pretty good chance for all of North Alabama to hit 90 degrees. So that heat continues to slowly build in. But this is not out of the ordinary for mid-September. In fact, our average high this time of year is 87 degrees. So one last round of this summer-like heat before actual fall air gets here and starts to settle in, probably by the beginning of October. Until then, that 7-day forecast, pretty quiet. No rain chance to speak of, a lot of sunshine. 86 today, then we climb into the upper 80s tomorrow, near 90 this weekend. But those overnight lows, those morning temperatures will still be comfortable in the low 60s.
All right, thank you.